lights are flashing, the beat so tight, gonna hit the dance floor.
Hi Tita Lia, happy 60th birthday. Enjoy ang life. God bless. Hello tayo, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Sana pang buhay. Stay healthy and stay pretty. I love you.
Love you, Tita Ria. I see you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Can you sing happy birthday to her?
Happy birthday.
You sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Day.
Happy birthday, Day. La, la, la. Oh. Happy birthday, Tita Ria.
I love you.
I love you.
Happy birthday, Day.
Happy birthday, Day.
More birthday to come. Kabay pa nga, malawig pa nga kabuhi. Long live, long life. Ano pa, Freya?
Day, Lola Leia. I love you. God bless you. Day, Lola Leia. I love you. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tita! Tita nga gwapa. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Inday. Happy 60th birthday, Inday. We love you. Happy birthday. God bless and good health always. Many more birthdays to come. Sana next year na birthday mo, dito ka na sa Agdaliran, para kasama mo kami sa pag-celebrate. Thank you. We love you. God bless always.
Hi, kamusta po Ate Leia? Happy 60th birthday. Hindi ko nakalain 60 ka na pala. Akala ko mga 45 pa lang. Hindi halata kasi. Wish ko lang po ay sana maging maayos yung health mo, stay healthy, more blessings to come. Ingatan niyo po lagi yung sarili niyo, maging malusog para umaba yung buhay natin. Once again po, happy 60th birthday Leia. We miss you. Si Joanne po, mag-ano rin siya.
Hi Ate Leia! Kamusta po? Happy 60th birthday! Senior citizen na po. Enjoy! God bless po! Bye!
Enjoy your day po!
Enjoy!
Enjoy your party! I love you, Day!
Init. Ay, kamusta kayo lahat dyan? Happy birthday nga pala sa mahal kong asawa na nag-celebrate ngayon ang kanyang 60 birthday. Welcome to senior citizen. Senior citizen ka na, sana iwas stress na. At bawas na rin sa paninermon sa mga bata para mawala yung ano mo. Okay, again, happy birthday. Sana magsaya ka sa araw na ito sa iyong karawan. At nagpapasalamat nga pala ako sa mga bisita na nag-attend ngayon sa kanyang karawan. Sana sa next na birthday mo nandyan na ako para lalo tayong sumaya. Okay? Bye-bye at maraming salamat ulit sa mga bisita. Again, happy birthday, boss. Sa mahal kong boss, sana laging okay lang para yung stress natin bawasan na. Okay? Happy birthday.